Alright, Algebra kiddos, this is help for scale 2-2, subtracting real numbers. Do a couple examples here that'll hopefully help you out. So, the first problem we have here is going to be negative 3 minus a negative 4. Hold up, I'm going to change that. I don't like the pencil size. Clear. Yes, thank you. Pencil. Okay, so, again, negative 3. We're going to subtract a negative 4. Now, the great thing about subtraction is it comes from addition. Okay, so we can change this subtraction problem into addition. So, by changing the minus sign to an addition, we also have to change the sign that follows. Well, the sign that follows is a negative, so we need to change that to a positive. This guy right here stays the same. Okay, so our new problem then is negative 3 plus 4. Excuse me. Excuse me again. Alright, so now this goes back to what we were doing yesterday when we were adding real numbers. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do the absolute value method. I'm going to take the absolute value of negative 3, the absolute value of 4. Therefore, I get 3 here, because it's 3 away from the origin. 4 here, it's 4 away from the origin. Now I have to determine what's the operation between these two values. Well, I go back and I look at the signs. Well, in this case, they are different, so therefore, I subtract the two numbers. Now, if you remember from yesterday, when we are subtracting, we take the larger absolute value. Well, in this case, it is the 4, so it goes 4 minus 3, which ends out being 1. Then we have to determine what the sign is. And again, you go back to the absolute values. Who is the larger? Well, 4 was the larger. Its sign was positive, so therefore, this is a positive 1. Okay. Well, let's say we have another type of problem. Say I have 5 minus 9. Okay, so that's a positive 5 and a positive 9. Well, again, what's great about subtraction is you can change it to addition. So this now becomes a plus. I changed the sign. Well, this was positive, so now it becomes negative. So my new problem is 5 plus a negative 9. Well, again, we can use our absolute value method for this. Take the absolute value of 5, the absolute value of negative 9. We've got 5 here, got 9 here. Again, we look at the signs, they're different, so I know I'm going to subtract. So I take the larger of the absolute values, which is 9, I subtract away 5. That answer is 4. Then I need to determine my sign. I look again, absolute values, 9 is larger, its original was negative, therefore this is a negative 4. I hope this helps you in your mission to conquer the homework. See y'all tomorrow.